Today, Curious Inventions Milky Swig. It's from a company called Dairyfine, where they supply companies like Aldi. I got this for like £2.60 or something like that. These swigs there. Very interesting one. I'm going to try one and see if I can get it broken. Quite good. I'm impressed. I love it because I like all the different things they put in there. I could feel the flavours, feel everything. 10 out of 10 from this. I'm going to have to eat the rest. Thank you for watching, and a happy Easter Monday to you all. There's still a long way to go.